this is Jay from Livid, and today I'm going to show you our new MIDI control surface block. Block is based off the same technology that our ohm64 control surface is, but it's housed in a small, compact body made of J-Luton wood, which is a lightweight hardwood. It has an aluminum faceplate, the same kind of finish you'd see on a MacBook Pro. It's USB powered and class compliant, so you don't need to plug it into the wall, and you don't need any drivers. The 8x8 grid is all backlit LED buttons, and they're assignable and programmable. So you can send MIDI to the device and light up the buttons. Has 8 corresponding knobs, 7 function buttons, tap tempo button, and 2 faders. Everything on our control surface can be remapped with our block editor, which is our open source MIDI editor program. And you can remap it to any MIDI settings you'd like and save it to the controller. The controller was designed to be used with any software that accepts MIDI or sends MIDI. So it's great for Ableton Live, Max MSP, Tractor, Serato, VJ software, any kind of DJ software. Pretty much, anything that accepts MIDI. So today I'm going to show you the block controller being used with Ableton Live. Okay, so here I have my live set. I already have everything in live mapped to the block controller. I'll just show you my mappings here. I have 7 tracks mapped to these 7 columns here. These are the mute for each track individually. I also have solo mapped to this row of buttons here, so I can solo each track. And the 6x7 grid here is for launching clips. This column over here launches entire rows. This button stops clips. This is for tap tempo, and these are the volumes for each track, and this is master volume of the whole set. I also have these set to effects. This is an echo effect I have set to the guitar track, and then this is a flange I have set to the drum track. So I'm just going to go ahead and trigger some tracks here to show you how it all works. I have this set to a piano part. It's actually playing individual piano notes, and I have track follow on it, so it plays the next clip as soon as it's done. I have another drum track over here. And I have the flange set to that track. Now these are all piano tracks, 6 different parts. I have these set to guitar and bass, so I'll go ahead and bring those in. Now if I just solo that track, you can see that's the only thing playing on this track. I can go ahead and trigger an entire row. Adjust the volume individually for each track. If I solo this track, you'll notice they're just individual notes. So I can go ahead and play those along with the rest of the tracks. I can, of course, adjust my tempo by tapping it. I also have a MIDI track, which is just a drum track I made using the drum rack. So that's pretty much my demo of using the block controller with Live. All the tracks that I used here are samples from 2006 EP from my band Cinch called Subdivisions, and Tony, also known as Blue Screen, created most of these tracks, and he also remixes a lot of this stuff using Live. Thanks for watching.